Ever wondered how to start your journey in stock trading? Well, you're not alone. The world of stocks, bonds, and financial markets can seem like an impenetrable fortress to the uninitiated. But fear not, for this journey begins with a single step. Step 1. Educate yourself. The stock market isn't a game of chance, it's a complex system with rules, patterns, and trends. Understanding these elements requires knowledge. Read books, take online courses, and stay updated with financial news. Knowledge, they say, is power, and in the world of trading, it's your greatest asset. Step 2. Create a plan. In the world of stock trading, those who fail to plan to fail. Identify your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, funding your child's education, or building wealth? Your goals will guide your investment decisions. Step 3. Start small. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Begin with small investments that you can afford to lose. As you gain more experience and confidence, gradually increase your investments. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Diversification reduces risk and increases potential returns. Step 5. Stay disciplined. The stock market is a roller coaster of highs and lows. It can be tempting to buy high and sell low, but that's a surefire way to lose money. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Step 6. Seek professional advice. Stock trading isn't a solo journey. There are experts and professionals who've been navigating these waters for years. They can provide valuable insights and advice, especially when you're just starting. In summary, starting your journey in stock trading involves 6 key steps. First, educate yourself about the stock market. Second, create a plan based on your financial goals. Third, start small and gradually increase your investments. Fourth, diversify your portfolio to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Fifth, stay disciplined and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. And finally, seek professional advice to navigate the complex world of stock trading. Remember, every successful trader was once a beginner. It's a journey of 1,000 miles, and it begins with a single step. So take that step today and embark on the exciting journey of stock trading.